Hi preschoolers, it's Mrs. Allison. We're going to take a look at our May calendar, and this will be our last calendar time together for this year because on Friday it is our last day of school. Today is Monday, May 18th. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow is Tuesday. There aren't any special birthdays or days this week except Friday. Friday is our last day of school. So Friday, May 22nd is our last day of school. Next week on Monday it is Memorial Day. And then we also have two birthdays next week. On Thursday, May 28th, it is Nico's birthday, and Friday it is Vivian's birthday on May 29th. We're going to take a look at some letters today, and we're going to take a look at our new letter Z. And Z is the last letter of the alphabet, so let's find out about the letter Z. All right, when we say a word that starts with Z, we hear a Z sound. Like when you say the word buzz, you hear that at the end, but we're going to look at some words that start with that Z sound. So let's take a look at our pictures. Here we have
jar,
jar,
up,
up,
zoo,
zoo. Which one makes that Z sound in the beginning? Is it jar, up, or
zoo?
Zoo? If you said zoo, you are right. Let's check our answer.
Fantastic! Zoo begins with the letter Z.
All right, great job. Let's go to the next three pictures. Okay, here we have zero, umbrella, dot. Which one starts with Z? Let's take a look at umbrella. Do you hear the Z sound when you say umbrella? No, you don't. That's right. How about this one? Dot. I don't hear a Z sound. I hear a D sound. Zero. The number 0. That's right. That starts with Z. Let's check our answer.
You did it! 0 begins with the letter Z.
Great. Let's try that again. Here we have dinosaur,
zigzag,
zigzag, ring. Which one starts with Z?
Zigzag.
That's right, zigzag. Those words both start with Z. Let's check our answer.
Good job! Zigzag begins with the letter Z.
Fantastic. All right. Here we have zipper.
Underwear.
Underwear. That's a silly one. Mop. What sound do you hear when you say the word mop? That's right. You hear the M sound, the sound. How about underwear? When we say the word underwear, we hear the sound, the letter U sound. How about zipper? That's right. We hear that Z sound when we say zipper. Let's check our answer.
You did it! Zipper begins with the letter Z.
Great job. Oh, we still have some more pictures. Here we have
Robot, zebra,
zebra,
horse,
horse. Which one starts with Z? I bet you guys all know this one.
zebra.
Zebra starts with Z, doesn't it? Great. Let's check our answer.
Good job! Zebra
Great.
begins with the letter Z.
We have some more pictures. Let's try it again. Here we go.
Unicorn,
Unicorn,
zucchini,
zucchini,
pie,
pie. What letter does pie start with? That's right. It starts with the letter P. Makes the P sound. How about
zucchini,
zucchini? That's right. You hear that Z sound, don't you? And zucchini is a vegetable, in case you didn't know. But let's check our answer and see if we are right.
Fantastic! Zucchini begins with the letter Z. You did it! You found all the pictures that begin with the letter Z. Click Select Letter for even more practice, or click Home to choose a different activity.
Great job, preschoolers. We made it through all the letters of the alphabet. You did a fantastic job, and keep working on your name this summer, writing your name, and keep working on learning all the names and sounds of the letters of the alphabet.